Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Thursday, October the 3rd, 2024. Not so good news because we have only 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. No additional, and well, only 3 puzzles. Well, we have a couple of days, several times an additional. Well, this Thursday, no additional, no extra puzzles. All right. See, no extra puzzles. Alright, only 3, no problem. The first one is the 3 Stars Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, yeah, there's a new NATO boss. And it's Mark Rutte, former Dutch Prime Minister, yeah. He is the new NATO Secretary General, yes. Alright. 3 Star Sudoku number 9374. And before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one has 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. The publisher has indicated this with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about? Yeah. Let me see. How about? Come on. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 9 should be there. 2. 8, 4. I need a 4 here. 5 missing numbers in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 4. We have 2 and a 4 in this big square, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7 we have here in this row. So no 5 and the 7 in this box. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the 3rd row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left. In the last column for number 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 boxes. 1, 3, 6. Then I need a 5 here. I need a 9 here. 5, 5. 6, 6. Come on. 6, 4, 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Okay. I need a 9 there. Need a 5 there. And I need the 7 here. So I need a 1 here. Need a 2 and a 3 here. And I need a 6 here. Yeah, need a 6 there. In this column, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have 1 and 3 in this row. No 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left. Should be the 6. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place level 6 should be here. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this column for number 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, first row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the third column. No 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, first row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in that row, no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4. Okay. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in one of these 3 boxes in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, A should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 6 should be there. 1 in the 6, we have 6 now in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Then the 1 in this row, the 1 in that row, so the row between the middle, the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left now in this row, second row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then let me see. How about 4, 4, 4. Okay, need 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 7 should be there. And I need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in the row above, no 7 there. The only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between only place left of 5 should be here. So the other 2 should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and a 3 are left in the last row. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We cannot fill this yet. We have a pair here, 2 and an 8. That means that this box, 2 and a 5, cannot be a 2 here, because we have a pair here. This box should be a 5. That box should be a 2. 2 and an 8. We have a 2 now, so this can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 and an 8. We have a 2 now in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, we saw it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.